Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to require verified emails for your Simplebooklet. In just a few clicks, you can control exactly who can access your content and make sure only approved users can view your booklet. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to scroll to the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click the Share button. We're going to make our way over to the Manage section, and then we're going to toggle on Require Verified Email under Access Controls. So as you can see, we have three different access options. There's public access, where anyone with the link can view your booklet, no email required. There's require a valid email. So this means that viewers must enter an email address in a valid format before they can access your content. And then we have restrict access to specific emails. This allows you to approve only the exact emails or domains you want. So as you can see, when we click on the restrict access to specific emails option, you can enter the specific emails that you want to view your booklet. You can add as many of those as you like, and then we have a little section down here that just shows the different ones that you've allowed so far. And then there's also a delete all button if you ever want to remove them. But you can also remove individual ones by just pressing the X next to the email. Once saved, only those approved emails or domains will be able to open your Simplebooklet. And then this pop-up here, we also have the option to view access history with our access report down here. And so here's where you'll see a full history of everyone who has opened your booklet, including their email, the amount of times they've opened it, the date of their last open, the location that they were in when they opened it, as well as the device that they were using. And you can also click the download all button to export the report for tracking or documentation. You can pause your allowed list at any time or disable verified email with a single click. And any authenticated viewers you've approved will also appear in your followers list. So yeah, if you ever want to turn it off, you can just toggle it off from the access control section down here. And then if you want to ever edit anything, you can click on this settings icon here and it will bring up that pop-up and you can make those changes. Requiring verified email supports the awareness and engagement stages of the reader's journey by making sure your content reaches the right audience. It protects sensitive material, helps you understand exactly who's accessing your content, and gives you clear insights to make better decisions moving forward. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.